Hi everyone, Sania here, and today I am here to provide you the brief of the further video. The main focus of the topic is the problem faced by the design college students due to online classes. So from the past 2 years, that is from April 2019, the students are experiencing the new mode of education. The sudden shift from offline to online was not easy for the students as well as for the teachers. As the time passed, everyone adapted the new mode of learning as it was the only solution possible due to the COVID pandemic. It was easier when the subjects were theoretical, but designing is a field of practical knowledge and includes many practical subjects which are difficult to study online. There are many causes and effects of online learning. For example, lack of resources, increase in screen time, and many more, which we will discuss further. In the next few seconds, you will get to learn about the timeline of the online class, causes and effects of the online classes, the impact on social life, and the conclusion. At the end, we have a small surprise for you, so stay tuned.
Now we will see how online classes has affected our students' health physically. As we all know, due to our busy schedule, we are not getting time for our physical activities, which is creating a huge problem in our back as well as other joints. Adding to that, during the online classes as well, some students are not maintaining a proper gesture, which is causing a poor ergonomics and causing severe back pains. And as we are not getting time to go out, we are very less exposed to the sunlight, which is creating deficiency of vitamin D. As we know that we are sitting from whole day on our laptop screen, which is giving a huge stress on our eye as well as on the ear, due to which we are compelled to wear specs as a medium to see us properly.
The students attending online classes are facing a lot of problems. Just to name some of them, stress and anxiety are the major reason. We all are social animals. We all need face-to-face interaction. But due to lack of face-to-face interaction, the most introverted ones have lost their interest in the subjects and they switch off their cameras and do their own thing. This reflects in their result and future prospects. Also, a very common word we come across is Zoom fatigue. Zoom fatigue refers to the exhaustion after attending Zoom call or other video conferences. Due to increase of screen time, our brain is overwhelmed with the information and it rather finds difficult to register all the information. Also, parents involving too much in their children and their online classes has also increased stress. This all just increases burden of a student.
Keeping in mind all the causes, let's now talk about how it has affected the students and what we can do about it. We conducted a survey of 35 students reading in design colleges and found out that 85% of the students spend 14 to 15 hours in front of the screen doing their college work. 90% of the students identified that they faced problems in understanding the practical subjects. The excessive exposure to lighted screens not only affects the eyesight of the student, but also affects their biological clock and sleep cycle, which further affects the hormonal balance of the body. In the questionnaire given to the faculty, they talked about how they see a behavioral change in the students attending online classes. A research conducted by the National Journal of Physiology, Pharmacy and Pharmacology identifies that 42% of the students have difficulty in falling asleep. Another article says that 89.9% of the students experience digital eye stress. As design students, most of our work has become digital and there is no escape from the screens. The most we can do is be responsible and take care of ourselves.
From a design student's perspective, getting educated online is not exactly simple, convenient, or normal. Most of the subjects, being practical in nature, requires actual expertise to be present in person for correction, interaction, and overall better understanding of the subject. Following this, a state of confusion is common among the students, affecting their normal and social life as well. Due to such confusions, and constant state of not being able to understand might lead one to cancel his plans over social aspects. And denying such invitations over and over due to the same reason and saying that I have lots of work to do might cause irritation in the society around you and might further cause the people, such as a family and friends, to taunt you. Following this, one might start to feel guilty and further start to feel low, and because of online medium, one cannot actually be around the peers who might be able to understand the situation he is in. And spending the time with loved ones is also a problem in many respects. The amount of time spent, the quality of the time spent, and the mood in which it was spent, and so on. This might create an unhealthy surrounding for one, which she or he might not even be able to notice or understand, and just continue to live in this state of confusion and keep growing unhealthier and unhealthier.
So here we can see that there are a lot of advantages and disadvantages of online classes. So during the online classes, every student and every teacher has faced a lot of problems such as health issues and technical issues. Screen time has increased, which leads to dryness of eyes, back pain, headache, and also the neck pain. Students don't get a lot of time to spend with their family and friends, which makes them feel isolated, lonely, and depressed. There are loads of assignments which take a lot of time to complete. So students take their time out from the sleep schedule, which leads to lack of sleep, dizziness, and tiredness the whole day. So here come a short lyrical video which you will enjoy, and we would like to sum up our presentation with it.
Down, down, thump, tack, chick, 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 down, down. चमगादड़ खाए कोई बकलोल और लाइफ हुई आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल. ताक चिक down down tack चिक down. जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल तो ऑनलाइन बैठ के तू बोल. ताक चिक down down. चमगादड़ खाए कोई बकलोल और लाइफ हुई आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल. जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल तो ऑनलाइन बैठ के तू बोल. ऑल इज वेल. साल भर से घर पे बैठे कॉलेज का क्या होगा. लाइफ बनेगी या ऑनलाइन तू फ्राई होगा. अब कोई ना जाने कॉलेज लाइफ का क्या होगा. तो काम चला होश उड़वा और घर पे बैठ के बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल. अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल. अरे चाचू ऑल इज वेल. अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल. Down 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 down. एसएनएस का प्रोजेक्ट मिला था, रिसर्च का कुछ पता नहीं. रिसर्च का जो मिला था साला टॉपिक सही ही लिया नहीं. एक रात पहले दिल मेरा जो घबराए, बुढ़ों के बारे में पढ़ के हम उसको फुसलाए. हम इडियट थे, टीचर हमको समझाए. नया टॉपिक उठा, कॉफी बना और मीट चला के बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल. अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल. अरे चाचू ऑल इज वेल. अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल. down 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 down. गूगल पूरा निचोड़ दिया, काम तो भी हुआ नहीं. उंगलियां जल के राख हो गई, सेटिस्फैक्शन मिला नहीं. बच्चा क्या जाने उसके वाईफाई का क्या होगा. रेंज मिलेगी या कनेक्शन स्लो होगा. अरे गो ना जाने सेहत की तेरा क्या होगा. तो ऐनक लगा, बाल बना और दौड़ते हुए बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल. अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल. अरे चाचू ऑल इज वेल. अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल.
मम्मी हुई आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल जब खाना किया इग्नोर, कैमरा का बंद करके रोल, सोते हुए तू बोल प्रेजेंट मैम। बच्चा क्या जाने लैपटॉप का आज क्या होगा, स्पीड मिलेगी या बीच में फिर से क्रैश होगा। अरे कोई ना जाने सबमिशन का क्या होगा, कब होगा तो फॉर्म बना, शेयर दबा और होप लगा के बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल। अरे भैया ऑल इज वेल, घर वालों ऑल इज वेल। अरे बच्चा ऑल इज वेल।